Hi, today I'm gonna show you stuff that I pack for swimming. So, first things first. Moisturizer, because I have Ishima, like, I don't know. Is it Ishima? Do you say it's Ishima? I don't know. Well, like a atopic skin, like very dry skin and like flaky and red. So I always need to moisturize myself, especially after swimming because I get so dry. And the next thing, I wonder where they are. Where is it? Oh my goodness. They were on my bathroom floor. They probably like dropped from somewhere when they were drying, but yeah. I have like Adidas swimwear. And this is where I'm packing my stuff. This little shit. This is so cute. This is from Little. But it's so cute. It has these little seals on it, and I've gotten so many compliments about this. Like, I have worn so many cute outfits during this year, but I've gotten more compliments on this little bag. What the hell? But I'm okay with that. Thank you for the compliments, girls. Anyways. The next thing I'm gonna pack is Crocs, because I don't want that fungi in my legs. Oh my goodness. Anyways, so now I have Crocs, moisturizer, swimwear. I need a towel. So I have a matching set of towels for my swimming. This is my little Moomin towel. It's well, I could do like, you know, color season test with it. I think it's a little bit too dark for me, but I think pink looks fine on me. Anyways, so maybe I have a cool skin. Yeah. So a big towel. And a little towel, because I'm gonna go to sauna, so I need something to cover the seats with so I don't get some kind of disease in my butt. Anyways. Then, now I have towel, moisturizer, swimwear, Crocs. I need my key. It's probably my jacket. I need a jacket with me and a key. So let's look for my key. If I have it here. I have it! Don't worry. Hip hop. So now I have also a jacket and keys. I need my phone. We have the phone, and take a moment to appreciate my little stickers on my phone. Ain't they cute? Yeah, they are. And I'm gonna put the phone in my jacket. Oh my god. The little spider is walking on my, what's the word? Mattress. Yeah, and this was on the floor. I should put this somewhere nice. Yeah, is that everything I need? Should I take a shampoo? Maybe. I want to wash my, like, I want to wash my hair after getting the, you know the thing that's in like swimming pools, like that blue thing. I hate it. I hate the smell of it, so I probably need to like rinse it off. So we're gonna take a shampoo and a conditioner and a hair oil. Where the fuck is it? Here. Hair oil. So we got a lot of things right now. I think I should be ready now. But when do I have to leave? Shit. Shit, fuck. Oh, my phone is here. I have to leave in 10 minutes. So, what should I blurb about? Well, I could show you guys my, what's the word? Ennakkolehtävä in English. Preliminary exam. Do I have more? Oh yeah, I have the second one and the third one. Oh my gosh, nice. So I applied for Aalto University's the design of visual messaging, low-key, you know? You get the point. So I tried to get in there and I made these little watercolor paintings. So this is the first one that I made. So yeah, it says Te Kamut, which is like tea friends, and the message behind this is that there's like, this is a coffee place that like shows representation. So this bunny, pink bunny in a blue cat world is seeing representation here on the logo, and these carrots, you know, on the in the furniture, and I just sees all kinds of ethnicities there, like different animals, and she just looks happy because of it. Yeah. So what I forgot to tell you what the like idea was, like the what I had to do, you know, what they told me to do. So we were supposed to do three artworks based on the idea of like how could you impact or affect the world with design. So yeah, visual design, like graphic design. And no, this is the next one. Next one is this. Yeah, you can pause the video if you want to see it more. But yeah, it's like a little nature park thing, and it's called Love Path or something. And there's like questions like, what are you most like grateful today? And there's like more questions as you go the path, and you can like get enjoy nature and also like think about these deep questions at the same time. And you can do it alone, but also with your partner or somebody you like. Yeah, so that's the idea of this. And this is the last one I did. So it's, oh my goodness, I think I have like 3 spiders here. Thank God I'm leaving. But I like spiders though. I don't know why I said that. Okay. So this is like 5-star calming routine or something. And yeah, so there's like 5 things that help you calm down during like the evening to go to sleep. And here's like this blue light is showing the bunny's phone and magazine that says war in it, very clear. So it's like, especially nowadays when we're so like we're too much on our phones and stuff, we need like these calming routines. So these kind of posters might help people. And also the news are crazy nowadays, and of course they've always been, but yeah, now a war is happening. There's many wars happening, so that's really something that makes people like lose hope. But these simple routines help people to like get grounded, and especially if it's like a physical thing in your room that reminds you of those routines, that really helps you. So yeah, those were my little paintings. I hope I get to the next part of the process, which is like it takes like a week, and we all go to the university and do some tests and you know, paintings and stuff, and then they choose from us. So even if I get accepted to that, I might not get into this school, which sucks. And then there's also an interview. Like, why so many things? Why do you care? But anyways, I gotta go now. Bye.